Thank you for being the two awesome people that you are, for bringing so much joy no matter what season, for being the people we can rely on, for being the people just to bring us a smile when we need it. I've been there for everything, and I can't wait for this next step you have together.
Let's raise a toast to Danielle and Paul. I hope that they both continue to grow together as a couple and that their love continues to inspire those around them. So cheers.
We've prayed for this all our life. God would provide you with someone. We prayed that he would provide you with friends to surround you. He answered all those. One of the true graces in life is to meet and marry a person that God has set aside for you. Paul, Bonnie and I are so happy that God brought you into our lives. You're a good gentleman. You're honorable. We appreciate everything. We welcome you as one of our sons. Good luck with that. Danielle's still 6, 7, 8 years old to me. When you were standing at the altar, I still saw my little girl. Okay. I didn't want to give up my girl yet. I'm happy to do it, though, with you. So God bless you both.